what appears spring has sprung. Is it too early to tune up my AC? Gary Wolf from Home Comfort Experts has the answer. I just told you it'd be okay with me if we just only had furnaces.
And I told you that wasn't okay with me.
I know, but I am a member of the Home Comfort Experts.
You very much
Club.
are, yes.
You checked on me.
That's right.
That's right. I told him I was a member. He did not believe me. He went back and checked to make sure. I do not lie. I am a lot of things, but a liar is not one of them.
And I'm never going to live it down.
Nope, never, never. Okay, so let's talk about, is it too early? Like, is now the time to be tuning up my air conditioner?
Absolutely. You know, last year was one of the warmest Mays we'd had in a while. So if you're not ready for it, you know, there's a lot of things you can turn on. There's a lot of things that happen over the winter. Sure. Get your maintenance done. You know, we have like a 20-point, you know, thing, list that we hit when we do your maintenance. You know, everything from electrical connections to refrigerant charge. You know, a lot of people, the big thing they look at is, you know, is my air conditioner clean? Mm-hmm. You know, that's important. The coil should be clean and that type of thing, but there's so many other things that go in with that. You know, squirrels, chipmunks, they get in there, they tear up a wire.
Rodents.
Yeah. Things fall into air conditioners, leaves fall into them, getting them cleaned up, making sure everything starts up the way it's supposed to. So when it does decide it's ready to turn the heat on, it's ready to go.
And you know, I joke because I'm always cold. That's why I could do without the air conditioner. But we did have a really warm May, and I'm hoping for an even warmer May this year.
Me too.
And people will need it. You guys do a lot of things that, honestly, it's not. I'm looking at this 20-point inspection. These are not things that we can do. Mm-hmm. You are inspecting safety devices for proper operation. Not only is it necessary for it to run, but that's necessary for our homes to be safe.
Yeah, everything from breakers in your home. You know, we check how tight the electrical connections are, if they're tight enough. So, you know, a loose wiring connection creates heat. And when they create heat, then the wires start to burn, and heaven forbid it goes any farther than that. You know, we check the safeties in the air conditioners. Nowadays, there's safeties that shut them off in case a fan motor quits and the pressures in the refrigerant get too high. Those are the type of things that we check to make sure that your equipment's going to work safely, along with condensation drains. You'd be surprised how much moisture your air conditioner collects, condenses on a coil, and has to drain out without causing damage to your home. That's something that we check to make sure that's not going to happen to you.
Well, so let's say my air conditioner is a few years old. Are you able to get it back to that kind of factory fresh state?
We will take it as close as we possibly can. You know, can we take a 25-year-old air conditioner back to brand new?
It's like taking me back to 20. You can't do that. There are too many wrinkles here.
I'm not going to say anything. I'm already in enough trouble.
That's right.
But, you know, we can do the best that we can. We clean everything up. We make sure that there's absolutely nothing in the air conditioner. If there is any issues, we bring it up to our customers so we can take care of that. We love it when our customers spend the time and they're with us, because we can show them these 20 steps that we're doing, and they're usually amazed at what takes place.
Now, you guys have had this offer, this free furnace offer, and it ends April 30th. Is it too late for us to be taking advantage of that?
Nope, you have to the end of April to take advantage of that. You buy an air conditioner at the regular cost. You get the furnace for free, just the cost of the installation. Saves the customer about $3,500.
Wow.
Yep, we get, you know, like I've said before, we get a really good deal from our suppliers. We go to them and we say, hey, we're going to buy this number of furnace and air conditioners. They give us a great deal. We pass that on to our customers.
It's a good time. If you are not like me and you're getting money back on your taxes, then that'd be a great thing to spend that on.
Absolutely. And we have a lot of people that take advantage of that, you know, along with the savings, credits from AEP, NIPSCO, that type of thing, all add up. You know, you can upgrade some of those packages, efficiencies. Here in Indiana, a furnace is very important, as we found out, you know, this winter. And
sure.
You want to rely on all that stuff, so making sure it's up to date is important.
Absolutely. Well, take advantage of it now. You've got till April 30th. Give Home Comfort Experts a call today, 490-5100. We'll be right back.